If you want to speed up audio in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to do it, including how to speed up your audio while keeping the same pitch, how to speed it up with that classic faster record sound, and how to preview faster playback without permanently changing your file. This is super useful for voiceovers, podcast editing, music practice, or trimming down long recordings. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Audacity guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure your audio is already open in Audacity. You can either import a file or record directly into a track. Once your audio is loaded, click on the track so it's selected. This step matters because Audacity needs to know exactly which audio you want to modify. Now let's start with option A, which is the best choice if you want to speed up the audio but keep the same pitch. This is the method most people want because it makes the audio shorter and faster without turning the voice into a chipmunk sound. With your track selected, go up to the top menu and click Effect. Then hover over Pitch and Tempo. From there, choose Change Tempo. A window will pop up with a % change box. Here, type in the amount you want to speed up the audio. For example, if you enter 20.00, your audio will play 20% faster. If you want a smaller change, you can use something like 10.00. If you want a bigger change, you can increase it more. The key idea is that you are adjusting the speed while preserving the pitch. Before you apply it, make sure the Use High Quality Stretching option is checked. This helps keep the audio sounding cleaner and more natural after the change. Once that's set, click Apply. Audacity will process the track, and your audio will now play faster while keeping the same overall voice pitch. Now let's move on to option B, which is the method you want if you actually want the pitch to rise along with the speed. This gives that classic vinyl or tape style effect, where everything sounds faster and higher. It's great for creative edits, sound effects, or stylized audio. Again, start by selecting your audio track. Then go to Effect, then Pitch and Tempo, and this time choose Change Speed and Pitch. In the speed multiplier box, type your value. For example, if you enter 1.5, that means the audio will play at 1.5 times the original speed. Because this option changes both speed and the pitch together, the result will sound more like a record spinning faster. Once you've entered your speed multiplier, click Apply. Audacity will render the change, and your audio will now be both faster and higher in pitch. This is not the right option if you want natural sounding speech, but it's perfect if you want that sped up effect on purpose. Now let's look at option C, which is the easiest way to preview audio faster without actually changing the file. This is really helpful if you just want to listen through something quickly, check timing, or skip ahead while editing. Look at the bottom toolbar in Audacity and find the Play at Speed slider. Drag the slider to the right to increase playback speed. Then click the Play at Speed icon, which looks like a green arrow with a small clock. Audacity will now play the audio faster, but this is only for preview. It does not permanently edit your file, so it's a safe way to listen through audio at a higher speed without committing any changes. So to quickly recap, if you want to speed up audio while keeping the same pitch, use Change Tempo. If you want the speed and pitch to rise together, use Change Speed and Pitch. And if you only want a temporary faster preview, use the Play at Speed toolbar. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Audacity tutorials, editing tips, and quick how-to guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up tutorial showing how to slow down audio in Audacity, how to remove background noise, or how to export your finished file the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.